Hi everyone, my name is Monica. I'm from CHEAR and I'm here to share with you one of my favorite salads. So let's take a close look. Here we go. So it has cabbage, we have some tuna, chopped apples and mangoes with a little bit of avocado and green and red onions. We can also see some dried cranberries and yeah, I think those are all the ingredients if I'm not forgetting anything. And usually I have this salad with a little bit of olive oil and orange dressing on it. So yeah, just to give you ideas to continue adding those veggies and fruits on your daily eating. Take care and I will see you later. Bye-bye.